Good morning, everybody. Troy here from Troy's Hobbies. A quick update. I uploaded the Apexel 4-in-1 review, and it was a little over 20 minutes on YouTube, and it worked fine. It's up and running. People have been viewing it. I've tried multiple times to upload it to Amazon. Maybe Amazon has a limit to how many minutes you can upload. So I'm going to have to take the original video, throw this little header in, the beginning of this one, and then I'm going to have to chop down the 20 minutes and down to more than half, and then try and upload it again, see if you guys can see it. But the main thing people want to see is that 18x telephoto lens. So I'll make sure to leave that in there, but I am going to chop it down. It is going to be edited. But if you want to see the whole video, it's a little over 20 minutes. You'll have to go on YouTube, look me up, Troy's Hobbies, or just put Apexel 4-in-1 clip-on lens, and you should be able to find me. But I'm going to go ahead and chop it down, but there's some great before and after photos, long distance, where I was up on a balcony up here and I was taking pictures across the river. And so I think you guys will enjoy that. But let's get to it. I hope you like the video, Amazon. Thank you. It comes with the instruction manual. You can see there. Comes with a little carrying case, which is always nice. So it comes with a little tripod, nice. The feet are flexible, adjustable. Oh, it's a remote shutter. Check this out. So iPad 3, 2, iPad mini, iPad with retina display, iPod touch 4. That's what it looks like. It's all plastic, nothing fancy. So here's the smartphone mount. I already have one of these from another brand, long time, but this is nice that they have it in there. So there you have it. That's what it looks like. So it also comes with a little lens cleaning cloth. This one comes with two clip-on lens adapters. So, all right, this here is the plastic eye cup. So if you want to use it as a monocule, and not attach it to the clip-on lens, just to look around, you'll be using this. This is the fisheye lens. This is the cap. The cap came off. This is the macro, which is a 15x and a 0.63x wide lens. So here's the macro for those close-up photos, and this is just the regular wide lens. Finally, here it is. It's 18 by 2.5. That's what it looks like. Let's bring it in closer. You can see what it says there. And then on the sides, negative, plus. Really simple. All you got to do is take your time. Don't force it on there until it's nice and snug. Don't go any further. It is plastic. And see here, make sure you have this screw loose so you can adjust it. You'll tighten this down once you have it on the phone so it doesn't fall off. This is pretty cool. I like it. And by the way, it's like a rubber coating, so it's not slippery if it gets wet and your hands are sweaty. This is pretty cool. I like this already. I'm going to be taking video. Change of location. I'm actually at my neighbor's home. They have a beautiful two-story house with a balcony. So right now I'm on the balcony, and what you're seeing now is my setup. This is my iPhone 7 Plus. I have the 18x telephoto lens on, and my dongle connected to my Boya mic, and I brought my rangefinder with me. I totally forgot. The max distance on this is 800 yards. And so I was trying to get out and range further out, but we'll go ahead and take some before and after video footage, what it looks like between the two phones. This phone's a 7 Plus. I'm using my wife's phone to videotape me. Hers is a 6 Plus S. And so instead of going back and forth and taking this on and off and making it more complicated than it is, I'm using two phones. And so right now what I'm doing is I'm taking video of a known building distance. So there's a building here. You won't be able to see it on here until I turn this camera around. I'm ranging a building, and the distance is 310 yards. And so it's a brown building. I'm gonna flip this camera around so you'll see it with a normal view from the iPhone 6s. And then I already have this phone connected attached with the lens, the 18x lens, so you'll see the difference. What I'll do is I'll toggle in between. I'll put the two videos together so you can see what it looks like, the difference. So right now I'm videotaping with my 7 Plus what it looks like with the 18x, and you can, sorry if I touch it, it's gonna move a little bit, but you can adjust the focus, see, and focus in until it's clear. Hopefully I have this in view. So that is what it looks like when it's actually, what did I say, 310 yards. Let's go ahead and flip the selfie camera around so you guys can see what it looks like just with the regular iPhone lens. With the iPhone 6 Plus S in the middle of the video, the camera is not zoomed in, just the regular lens on the iPhone 6 Plus S. That's what that brown buildings look. That's what the brown building looks like right now. It's on the top of that little hill. And with the 18x, you can see the difference. What a big difference, you know, for something that you can be able to carry around in your pocket. And so that's what it looks like. That's actually 310 yards away. Pretty damn cool for something that fits in your pocket and you can carry with you. Next object, there's a silver grayish object. It's actually some metal parts for the State Department there. I can pick it up clearly with the 18x telephoto lens, but with the 6 Plus with the regular iPhone lens, you could barely see it. All you see is a bunch of houses in front. And if you look over in the middle, above the middle house and the trailer, that's what I'm zoomed in on the other phone. Let me see if I can. This doesn't even have a 6 Plus, doesn't even have a 2x zoom. So that's all you see on the 6 Plus is what you see here. I can't zoom it in because this doesn't have a 2x for some reason. I can pick it up clearly with the 18x. With the 18x, you can see it clearly. So that's pretty darn cool. Now let's see if we can get the well, you won't even see the ferry. The ferry is coming across the river. Let's see if we can see that. Now with the 18x, you can actually see clearly the State Ferry San Poil crossing the river. Let me pan. You can see it clear as day passing. Now with the regular lens on the iPhone 6 Plus, I can't zoom it in, not even 2x. All you see is the houses and the trailer and a truck in front, and behind it is the river. You cannot see the ferry. So I'll patch these two videos together so you can see what I'm talking about. But wow, pretty damn cool, pretty damn cool. The fire truck that's in view, the green fire truck, that is 46 yards. So you can see with the iPhone 6 Plus, even if I try and zoom in with the regular iPhone, that's all. Maxed out on the iPhone 6 Plus S. Zooming it back out. Now so with the 18X, if it had license plates, you would be able to easily read the license plates on it. You can see the detail on the fire truck. And if I wanted to, I could still probably zoom with the built-in zoom of the iPhone. There you go, see? So that's pretty darn good. I got one camera in front of the other. This one right here can only zoom out. This is it. This is a 6S Plus. It doesn't have any kind of zoom, I guess. But I'm actually looking at the top of the peak here of this mountain here, on this mountaintop here. And then I'm going to go ahead and zoom in with the 18X. I can clearly see the trees, the few trees that's on top of that mountainside. I can clearly see the trees, the few trees that's on top of that mountainside. Might be hard to tell, but you can see, I can see the top of the mountain. See there? I'm viewing the top of the mountain. Let's go ahead and pan out a little bit. All right, before we wrap up this video, I'm going to do a quick test on the two other lenses. This is the fisheye lens. So I got two cameras running at the same time. So I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to use it as a selfie. And so all you got to do is center it. It's really easy to use for selfies. But we're going to go ahead and put the fisheye lens on. so you can see what the difference is. This is the regular iPhone 7 Plus. So let's go ahead and put it on for selfie, what it looks like. So there you go. Really simple. I'm getting some reflection, but I got, you know, the sun right off my side here, so I'm getting some reflection off the lens. Lens is clean. Just want to double check. Yeah. So that's what the fisheye lens looks like. So let's go ahead and try the other lenses. All right, next up, this is the two lenses in one. This is the macro lens and the wide lens together. So I like to use this for selfies, like what I'm doing now, like if I'm gonna make a, well, like I'm doing now, a YouTube video, and I want a little more distance, you know, away from my face, because I'm too ugly to be up close. So this is gonna work great. Let's check this out. Let's try it out, see what it looks like. I love to use this for selfie videos. It gets me a little further away from the camera. So this is what it looks like. See the flag on my side here? You got more of the wood here from the log house. I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the lens off. Keep a watch on the US flag here. Bam! I love this setup. So this is with the macro and the wide lens. See? More background. I love this for selfie videos. So let's go ahead and take it apart and take video of the macro separately and the wide lens separately. Okay, next up, this is the macro. I took the wide lens off. This is just the macro. This is made for close-up pictures, not really for video, for close-up pictures. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like through a video. So I'll probably have to take an object and get it close and move it close to the lens itself. See? Right now, nothing, it's blurry. You won't be able to see it until I put the two videos together. It's blurry. So I'm gonna grab one of the lens here so I can put it in front of the, as I get closer, it's gonna come into focus. See? There you go. So this is made to get close-up pictures. Look at that, see? That's what it's made for, pictures, not video. See it clearly. Let's go ahead and take it off so you guys don't get a headache. So that's the macro. So I got to screw them back together. I thought I could use just the wide lens by itself, but I can't. So one piggybacks off the other one. So I thought I could, like I said, I thought I could use just the wide lens, but you can't. So this one, you have to use it together. No problem. Screw it back on. Don't over tighten it. That's one thing I've already learned. So that's it. So this one, if you want to use the wide lens, you have to use it with the macro. Now you can use the macro by itself, but you cannot use the wide lens without the macro. It won't screw into the clip-on. Well, that's it, folks. This is the review on the 4-in-1 18X telephoto lens by Apexel. So make sure you check out the first video I did on the Apexel 10-in-1. I'll have a link here. I'll have some links up here for you guys to check out the other Apexel products, and also a follow here for my channel. I appreciate all the likes and subs. I'm a small channel. No high-speed internet. I do everything with iPhones, action cameras, and then I try and search for cell phone signal. So you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.